Alright guys, so come on in a little bit closer and I'll show you. Here's your new sprayer. Take it out of the box and I will show you how to set this up. You'll see a little bag of stuff. There's an instruction manual in there, but these are all just little kind of accessories and parts and things and seals if you end up losing something. So just unwind the hose, which they've got this one wound up good. Must be a Friday job this one. Okay, so we got our two straps. We have our handle. So I always put the handle down when you're working on the tank, filling the tank, just down on the ground here, and use it kind of as a kickstand, keeps it from tipping over on you. So you're going to hook on your two straps. What I like to do is put duct tape on this, because this will keep popping out on you every time you take it off. So put duct tape on there. That one's usually kind of jammed in, but I duct tape that one too. So you've got your nozzle. You've got a little seal on here that has to stay. So you just slide this in. Slide that down. Good thing to do at least once a day is check all of these fittings. Because when you start spraying and you get garlic stuff all over you or down your back someday, it's not usually that fun. Not as fun as it sounds. So this is another point to check. This thing's requiring a lot of assembly today. Get them good and tight, and also here. If you're ever walking along pumping and you're getting no pressure, this probably came loose in your piston and your whole thing is just going up and down and you're not creating any seal. So check inside the tank. Sometimes this is in there. Take it out, put that somewhere, keep it somewhere in one of your totes, and you're pretty much ready to go. Fuck, that was a little more work than I thought, but anyway.
That's alright.
That takes
out a bit if you need be.
through.